Hi, I'm Jack from K&B Audio, and here's everything you need to know about the Legend Vinyl record storage case. The Legend Vinyl storage case is a durable and stylish solution for storing your vinyl records. It's ideal for people who want to keep their collection organised and protected while maintaining a classic look. Let's dive a bit deeper into the features of this record storage case. It has a hard-wearing, durable exterior, which means it can withstand regular use and protect your records from dust, moisture and damage. The case includes a soft interior lining, allowing you to safely store your records without scratching or damaging the sleeves. It features a secure latch and handle, which means you can carry your records wherever you go. The case has enough space to store up to 30 records, which allows you to keep a decent-sized collection neatly organised in one place. Its sleek, retro-inspired design makes it not just functional, but also a stylish addition to any home or music room. Thank you for watching our overview of the Legend Vinyl record storage case. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to protect and organise their vinyl collection while adding a touch of style to their home. If you have any questions, then please feel free to leave a comment below or contact one of our audio experts. You can find the Legend Vinyl record storage case on our website at kbaudio.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos.